Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So today we will summarize the topic of chapter chapter number 1 of geography, India, size and location. So we already discussed about this chapter. Now we will summarize the topic. So as we know that India is a very vast country. India is one of the ancient civilization in the world. It has achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during the last 5 decades. First of all, if you talk about the location, it is located between latitude of 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north and 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25-minute east longitudes. It's mean that India located in the northeast hemisphere. You can see India located in northeast hemisphere. Northeast means in this hemisphere. Okay, means and means north, east, east means northeast hemisphere. Understand? So from India, from middle of the India, Tropic of Cancer is passes from 8 states of India. So basically, as you know that a Tropic of Cancer passes on the latitude of 23 degree 5 minute north. Here is 5 means 23 degree and a half north latitude. Understand? After this, if we talk about the size, so its total size is 3.28 million square kilometer. Means total size 3.28 million square kilometer. India cover 2.4% area in the world total area. Understand? 2.4% in the world. So if we talk about Indian states and union territories, there are total 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay, next is India and the world. What is the importance of India in the world? So as we know that India located in the northeast hemisphere and share longest coastline with Indian Ocean. It's mean that इंडिया का सारा जो इंडियन ओशन है उस पर एक तरह से कब्जा है. सो दैट्स वाई ऑल द कंट्रीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड जिनको ईस्टर्न साइड या ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर के अंदर अपना मार्केट करनी है या बिजनेस करना है, उसको इंडियन ओशन के थ्रू आना जाना पड़ता है. दैट्स वाई इंडियाज इम्पोर्टेंस इन इंडियन ओशन इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. ओके, so if we talk about extent of India from north to south and east to west. Okay, if we talk about northern north to south extent is 3214 kilometer. 3214 kilometer, and here is from west to east is 2933 kilometer. Okay, if we talk about its northernmost point, it is a Indra point. Sorry, Indra Col, which is located in the Siachen Glacier. If we talk about the southernmost point is its Indra Point, which is located in the Nicobar Island. Indra Point, which is located in the Nicobar Island. Okay, if we talk about easternmost point, it is Kabitho. Kabitho, Kabithu. Okay, it's located in the Arunachal Pradesh. And here is the westernmost point. It's Gohar Moti. Gohar Moti या Gohar Moti. Understand? Gohar Moti. So basically these are four main points of India. Basically now if we talk about Indra Point, it is submerged in the Indian Ocean in the year of 2014 during the tsunami. Okay, so next is neighboring countries of India. Neighboring countries of India. So at present there are total neighboring countries are seven. So seven neighboring countries are, first of all, in the northwest. In the northwest, it's Pakistan. In the northern side is China. Also in northern side is Nepal and Bhutan. If we come on eastern side, it's Myanmar. इनके इसके ईस्टर्न साइड कौन से है? म्यांमार. इट्स सदर्न साइड और इन द ईस्टर्न साइड आल्सो अब बांग्लादेश. ओके, बांग्लादेश. And in the southern side here is a small island, or we can say country, is Sri Lanka, and a very small island Maldives, located in the southern east side, sorry, southern west side, means here is Maldives island is located. And here is Afghanistan. Basically Afghanistan touches with the POK. बेसिकली इंडिया, क्या इंडिया पीओके का अपना पार्ट मानता है? दैट्स वाई वी कैन से दैट अफगानिस्तान आल्सो अ नेबरिंग कंट्री ऑफ इंडिया. बट ऑन द अदर हैंड इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस इसको इंडिया का पार्ट नहीं मानता, मीन्स पीओके को इंडिया का पार्ट नहीं मानता. दैट्स वाई वी कैन से दैट अफगानिस्तान नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया. बट वी नॉट इंक्लूड दिस और अफगानिस्तान एज ए नेबरिंग कंट्रीज ऑफ इंडिया. सो इट इज़ अ बेसिक फैक्ट ऑफ इंडिया related to size and location. So you have to revise this chapter for your Zoom class. So we will discuss about this and I will ask some question related to this chapter. Okay, understand? So I hope you all are fine and safe at your home.